The Safety-Set is a wheel positioning system designed to return caster-mounted kitchen equipment back to a specific location after cleaning or maintenance. Here's the Dormont difference. The Dormont Safety-Set allows your equipment to be positioned correctly under the fire suppression and ventilation systems. It satisfies National Fire Protection Codes 17A and 96 that are increasingly being enforced throughout the country. Safety-Set is certified to NSF ANSI Standard 169, made with flexible, injection-molded thermoplastic polyurethane, and it is resistant to oils and greases. Relax knowing this tough material can withstand up to 1,000 psi of crush pressure. The easy-to-install open floor design accommodates 3, 4, 5, and 6-inch casters and helps appliances to rest level on the floor to ensure even cooking. If non-cooking appliances are of interest, think of Safety-Set as an option for wheels on warming carts, salad bars, and refrigerators. It's better with blue.